Y'all, it's me, Kalila, and I don't know if I like this ponytail, y'all, but you know, whatever. So today, y'all, I'm going to be talking about the products that I use. I keep getting asked, what products do you use? What are you using on your locks? Are you using anything? What products, if any? You know. So I figured I'd do a quick video on what I use, what I have used. I am currently 2 years locked. I'm gonna take it back to the beginning when I first installed my locks. After every shampoo, I was using coconut oil on my locks. I would take some coconut oil, rub it through my hands, rub it through my hair, and I would do that to seal in my moisture. I did that always with my hair. Before I was locked, I always did that with my hair, so I did it with my locks because it's still my hair. So I did that, or I would take the coconut oil and water mix that I had, and I would spray it on my locks after I retied it, the scalp area. I would spray it just to pretty much help kind of soothe it from, you know, just being retied, pulled and stuff like that. I did that for maybe the first 4 months of locking, and I stopped mainly because I didn't know if it was slowing down the progress of maturing. So I was like, let me cut out some of the oils. I stopped using that. I also was using a rose water mix that I made. It was rose water, purified water, and then a drop of some oil. I don't know if it was avocado or jojoba oil. It was a drop of something, and just mixed it up, mainly rose water though. I would use that on my hair just to kind of rejuvenate it. You know, that was my hydration I used. And yeah, I did that up to about 4 months, and then I stopped. So from 4 months to 1 year, I was still retying my locks. So after every shampoo, I would take the other oils that I made. I made a kind of a growth oil and a light moisturizing oil, and you might have seen me use these before, or I've seen it on another video. I don't sell them anymore or anything like that, just because I didn't want to, you know, do the promoting and all that stuff. So I still use those. After every shampoo, I would take the drop, put it on my scalp, and then massage it in. Or after I retied like a section of my hair, I would use the drops, put it on my hair, and then massage it in after the retie. So that I still pretty much do. Still use that on my scalp. So at the end of my 1 year, you know, I did switch to retwisting. I retwisted, you know, for a year now. And the product I used to retwist at first was the Oars Lock and Twist. I actually like using this. I like the product. I didn't have like any flaking or any issues, itching, nothing like that with using this product. I just got tired of all the steps that I had to do. So like with this, it's kind of like a thick, clumpy gel kind of when you get it, when you have to kind of mix it up to make it more creamy. So I would have to mix it up and then also dip and then put it on my locks. You know, it was just too many steps. So after I stopped using that, I start using the Dew Mousse Depth Texture Foam. And this is for any hair, braids, locks, natural hair, anything like that. Twist out, rod sets, blowouts, wash and goes. It's for everything, y'all. So you can use it on anything. I was using this and I love this. Yeah, it's just so much quicker and more simple to do. It is more expensive. It's like, depending on where you're at, it's like $15 or more probably. So I did the Oars for 4 months, and then I switched over to the Dew. So yeah, to hydrate my hair, water. Just regular old tap water, not purified water, not spring water. Just regular old tap water, the same water I use when I shampoo my hair, the same water I use when I wash my body. Just regular old tap water to hydrate. And I don't do it like daily. I do it maybe maybe twice a week, maybe once a week. It's just when I feel it's necessary, when I feel it needs the hydration is when I use it. I also would use my coconut oil water. I started using this again because after I did the ACV rinse, which was maybe like a month or two ago, it pretty much stripped everything out of my hair. Everything, all the buildup, all the moisture, everything out of my hair. So I was using this to bring some of my moisture back in because it did feel very, very brittle, very, very dry. I use this when necessary. I don't use this on a daily basis either. So yeah. As far as my edges, sometimes I use my dew. I would just squirt it, lay it, and put it in a scarf. Or I was using the Even 24-hour edge tamer. I was using the black one, but I think they had like a purple one I used as well. I pretty much used whatever was available at the store. So I had no issues with this. I don't remember having any flaking or anything like that. I still would use it. But I did switch to Murray's, and I do really like this so far. I've been using this maybe like 2 weeks. The only thing is it is white, so it kind of makes you worry. Is it going to be white on your hair? No. Once you put it on, you rub it in, do your brushing, lay in your edges, and it pretty much goes clear after that. So I like it so far. And it smells pretty good too. Not too strong. I don't like fruity smells and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I used on my hair. So currently, pretty much just edge control, water, and every now and again the water and coconut oil mix, and you know, oil my scalp after I wash it, which I feel is necessary to do. I think, you know, it is your hair. So I do feel like you should rejuvenate it some type of way every now and again. It doesn't have to be every week, every day, nothing like that, but every now and again I do feel like your hair needs some type of rejuvenation, whether that's the rose water, some type of coconut oil, avocado oil, something on your locks, just not a whole lot. Yes, our body does have the natural oils to it, but those also get stripped out when you shampoo it. So yeah, but that's just in my opinion. You know, you got to know your hair as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Tell me what products you guys are using. Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions as well, let me know in the comments. And yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all, bye.